Hey, what's up, you guys? Just wanted to show you what I did today. Saturday morning, had a buddy call me up and say, hey, we got 114 bags of concrete to mix up. Can you bring a couple mixers over? He actually already owned one of them, so I brought two more over and helped them out, and we did it before lunchtime. Check it out. Late. Pallets are done. 100 bags, 11:30. Started at 9:30. What? Oh, sorry, we got 5 more bags here they found. It's all right. Boom. All the forms are done, all the way around. Haven't broke a sweat yet.